Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. Good morning from Vietnam, guys, and everybody out there in America, Canada, Europe, Middle East, Africa, wherever you are on planet Earth. Hopefully you guys having a great, fantastic day. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here. I just want to say it's a great time to be alive. We're seeing that Bitcoin is just like, boom, going to the moon, guys, and we're seeing that old coins are just kind of like going into Debbie Downer mode. But don't give up hope, guys. This video is about love and it's about crypto. It's about you out there. And don't give up hope, guys. The altcoins are doing what they're going to do. You've seen the Bitcoin dominance is just going super high, guys. And we've seen this pattern happen in 2017. And then, Bitcoin went up, hit all-time highs, then had a cooling off period. Then you saw that the dominance came down, and then suddenly, boom, the altcoins just start to shoot up. So what should shoot up to the moon, guys? So what should you be doing right now? Well, the first thing you should be doing is you should be buying one of the OG's mugs in the house right now. Get the mug. Coffee also tastes better. And it's full of joy, guys. It's full of joy. I need to get my coffee. Need to get my coffee on. So coffee tastes better than mug. So check out the merch, guys. Check out the merch. You're going to love it. And, so don't panic, guys. We saw this happen. So what should you be doing right now when the altcoins are just going down, down. I love that song. It's by Ina. It's a beautiful song, guys. Down, down. Check it out. Ina. Check out Ina. I love Ina. I love that song. And a lot of her songs are great. So digress. So what you should be doing is absolutely nothing, guys. You should not be selling. Do not sell right now. This is a bad time to be selling because altcoins will go to the moon and be popping off very soon. I mean, I think that, we could see November where the altcoins start to rise. Some people are saying that it could be January. So it's going to be somewhere in between November and January. So what you can be doing now is you can be buying the dippy dips. Buy the dippy dip because there's a lot of altcoins that are on sale now. There's a lot of bargains out there. A lot of people that are holding Solana, seeing Solana going down. It's kind of actually breaking down right now a little bit. So don't worry about it. I mean, okay, I guess I'm being kind of selfish and one-sided. I mean, I bought Solana at $18. So I don't really care if it goes down to like $100. I don't care. Yeah, I know a lot of you out there probably bought it, close to the top where it is now. So the only thing you guys can be doing is just, buy the dips, dollar cost averaging, and then you'll be fine. So, remember, I tend to get into things a lot early because I'm the ultimate hodler. So, with that being said, guys, remember, not on this video is financial advice. It's the OG expressing his opinions, and this video is for educational purposes only, and it's entertainment, guys. It's pure entertainment. And I just want to give a big shout out to Reach4TW. God bless you, and thank you for being a huge supporter of the Crypto Daily Trade Signals channel. And also, they went over to Zen Music and subscribed over there. So I said I would give you a shout out. And then also Inessa B in the house also subscribed over to Zen Music. And Anto in the house, guys. Woo! Let's get it, guys. And let's jump into the content. Robinhood's in big trouble right now. We're going to jump into that. SEC is all over them, and we're going to look at that. We're going to look at some news for Solana as well. Solana is, as I said, breaking down. We've also got some other Bitcoin news, some other news, and we're going to look at the Doge technicals and the Shiba Inu technicals. So let's jump into it, guys, without further delay. So it's a great time to be alive, as I said. And guys, don't forget to go down there and show some love. Remember, this channel would not be possible without my people out in YouTube land. And if you love me like I love you, you need to go down there, smash the likes right now, smash the likes, and comment, guys. Comment. Tell me how I'm doing. Tell me how things could be better. And just spread a good vibe out there. You want it. And guys, one last thing. Don't forget. I almost forgot. Subscribey YB in the house. The OG's feeling better. I had my vaccine yesterday, so I'm feeling better, guys. Feeling a lot better, getting back to normal. So Robinhood warns crypto payment for order flow regulation poses risk to business. So as you guys know, that a lot of Robinhood, gets a lot of its revenue from its trading fees. So what it does is it outsources all of its trades to third party. And what happens is the third party, they share a part of the revenue with Robinhood, and that's why they can offer They can offer trades without fees, right? Because they outsource it, right? So Robinhood, and this is a big part of its business model. And the SEC has said that this payment for order flow they're going to put a stop to it. And this is a huge part of Robinhood's business. So let's jump in. Robinhood has sounded the alarm to investors about potential risks to its business model related to increased regulatory scrutiny of cryptocurrencies and payment for order flow, and that's called PFOF, a payment arranged with market makers which allows trading platforms to offer low commissions or commission-free trading, right? So, and what they're saying, according to Robinhood, payment for order flow and transaction rebates from crypto trading accounted for 79% of the company's total revenue in the second quarter, with PFOF making up 38% and cryptocurrencies making up 41%. So you can see right here that if they stop the PFOF, so you can see right here, if they stop the PFOF, and that makes up 38% of their total business. You can see that right here, guys. That makes up 38% of their total business. And that's going to be a huge impact on their revenue. The regulation of crypto industry continues to evolve and is subject to change. Moreover, securities and commodities law and regulations and other bodies of laws can apply to certain cryptocurrencies businesses. The platform said that its amended S1 filing on Friday. These laws and regulations are complex so the short of it is Gary Gensler wants to stop the POFF. And if that happens, that's going to affect 38% of Robinhood's revenue, guys. And as you guys know, that SHIB and Dogecoin are about 60% of the Dogecoin that's held by retail is on Robinhood platform. And a large amount of SHIB is and was scheduled to be on Robinhood. And as you guys know, there was a whole bunch of there's about 6.3 trillion worth of Shiba Inu coins that were recently bought by an unknown wallet. And I believe that is Robinhood. So if you look at that, 38% of their revenue is going to be taken off the table if this law comes into place. And this could bankrupt, this could close Robinhood. So if that happens, it's going to have a huge impact on a lot of the Dogecoin holders, because it means that they're going to liquidate these accounts, give you cash, and then you guys are going to have to go to elsewhere to get. I need some coffee. This coffee cup is full of joy. The joy is spilling out. So what do you guys think about that? What do you think about that? And also, what'll happen is if they stop this this PFOF, what's going to happen is payment for order flow. If they stop that, then Robinhood are going to have to start to charge transaction fees on every trade. And part of the whole platform, the promise is not to have fees, and it's a fee trading less platform, and that's one of the big things that are attracted. So the only thing they can do is they can continue not to charge you fees, but then what they're going to do is increase the slippage, probably about 1 or 2%. And what that means is that they will pad out the prices of the crypto by 1 or 2%, and that's how they take their fees on the back end. So that's probably what's going to happen. So this is not good for Robinhood. It's not good for Dogecoin. It's not good for crypto in general, because if people start moving their money around, it's going to be bad. So this is really bad news for Robinhood. So some other news that's coming in right now is U.S. lawmaker is most concerned about Treasury's response to crypto. And there was this whole big Texas blockchain summit on Friday, and there was about 3% of the United States Senate was attending this. And Wyoming Senator Cynthia Lummis, and as you know, she owns Bitcoin. She had to make a self-declaration, so we know that she's into crypto. She's a crypto maxi, and she's also one of the big supporters, in the Senate for cryptocurrency. And, speaking at the Texas Blockchain Summit in Austin, Lummis said that her recent concerns with the federal agency came from the language concerning brokers. And as you know, this whole infrastructure bill, the definition of a broker is very broad, guys. It's very broad. And she believes, Cynthia Lummis believes that this whole infrastructure bill is going to really stifle innovation and blockchain technology in the U.S. And she's really, supportive and saying this is really not a good thing, guys. And I also don't think it's a good thing. But, Treasury Secretary, Yellen Felon has expressed her support of the legislation under the wording passed by Senate in August. Brokers would have to report digital asset transactions worth more than $10,000 to the Internal Revenue Service. But the thing is here, the definition that was proposed was proposed showed a fundamental misunderstanding of Bitcoin and other digital assets, says Loomis, who claimed that many brokers under the bill with little or no knowledge of their clients would not have the information necessary to file reports. And that's exactly right. So what that means is that, node operators and stuff like that, they would have to technically file these reports, but there's no way of them knowing or KYCing their customers or knowing who their customers are. So, the bill is unsuitable and it's not applicable because the brokers don't know who their clients are. So how do you report transactions over 10,000 to IRS when you have no idea of who these people are, because the anonymity nature of blockchain technology? And if you're running a Bitcoin node or a Dogecoin node, you don't know who's passing transactions through your node because it's decentralized, it's anonymous, guys. So this is going to create a huge problem, and that's another reason why I think that the infrastructure bill is still not been passed, because I think that we have a lot of senators who are fighting and hopefully trying to block this thing. Get Ted Cruz, we got Cynthia in the House. So let's see how this plays out. And I don't think we're going to see the infrastructure bill voted on until the end of October. Time for get some coffee. So let me know what you think. Do you think the infrastructure bill is going to pass? Are they going to amend the definition of broker? Guys, tell me what you think, guys. I'd love to hear your opinions. Some other news that's coming in right now is the Swiss think tank initiates vote to add Bitcoin in its federal constitution. So, successful or not, the vote will bring crypto education to people who are not yet Bitcoin savvy. So this is really good. So it looks like the Swiss, the Swiss, a nonprofit think tank, is assisting the state in exploring cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and blockchain technology, is launching an initiative that could make Bitcoin one of the country's reserve assets. So this is really good that Switzerland is and could be using Bitcoin to have one of its reserve assets. So this is really good. And maybe this could lead to Switzerland legalizing Bitcoin as a legal tender. So this is really good. And if it doesn't legalize Bitcoin as legal tender and recognizes Bitcoin as a Federal Reserve asset, this is huge, guys. And as you know, that Switzerland is a big, huge place for banking. And, a lot of people with a lot of funds and a lot of money, they do a lot of banking in Switzerland because of their non-reporting laws and statute. So this is really huge, guys. You guys don't understand how bullish. Do you think this is bullish? Smash the likes, leave a comment, guys. Tell me what you think. Some other news that's coming in right now. Bitcoin's 100,000 price target returns as BTC price breaks out of the bull pennant. So I talked to you guys that, BTC was forming a bull pennant. And, you can see that right here. Let me switch at the 4-hour chart right here in the house. So we have this bull pennant, and I said that Bitcoin is going to go up to 61,000, and we're breaking out exactly as I told you would. We're doing it. We're on our way, guys. And, we went up to 57,000, and we got rejected a couple times, once, twice, 3 times. But I think we're going to make a measured move up there soon. And I still believe that $61,000 is incoming for Bitcoin. It's just a matter of time. And right now, Bitcoin is trading at 56,645. So Bitcoin is looking really good, but the altcoins are looking pretty sad, guys. And if you look at Bitcoin on the weekly, on the daily chart, you can see that it's at 56,656. Let's take a look at that on the weekly. Let's take a look at that on the weekly chart. And if you look at the weekly chart right now, let me just clean that up for you. You can still see that on the weekly chart, last week we printed a beautiful green candle. And last week we had a low of 46 and a high of 56.45. And right now we're at 56.537. So we're above last week's high. And we're still seeing that Bitcoin is above the 21-day EMA. So that's super bullish in the house, guys. Smack the likes. Tell me what you think. You think this is bullish or bearish? Do you think that Bitcoin is going to hit $65,000 this month? Tell me. I'd love to hear what you have to say in the comments. So some other news that's coming in right now. We can also see that the Ethereum on-chain matrix is very risky. And we're seeing that right now. There's a lot more Ethereum that's moving back onto exchanges, and it looks like people could be, we're seeing more inflows of Ethereum back on exchanges, and looks like people could be accelerating their selling of Ethereum. So guys, watch out, guys, because it means that we could see Ethereum dropping. I think a lot of this has to do with that the Bitcoin dominance is high, so people are selling their Ethereum, moving it in to Bitcoin, and then once it gets to like 65,000, they're going to sell and move back into Ethereum. So I think this is pretty normal. I wouldn't worry too much, guys. And you can see that also too, people are still buying Ethereum, but there's more inflows recently, and that has to do with that the Bitcoin dominance is high, and people just want to move into Bitcoin, and they want to gobble up some profits as Bitcoin moves higher. Some other news right now is we can see that Bitcoin dominates institutional capital flows as investors accumulate Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano and coin shares. So we're still seeing a lot of capital is inflowing right now to the markets, and we're seeing that Bitcoin is the major dominating coin that institutions are buying, followed by Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. So, but right now, this week, we're seeing a huge switch, and the amount of Bitcoin that institutions are buying is the amount of Ethereum that institutions are buying is very minimal, and Bitcoin is dominating the purchase of all crypto that's coming out of institutions right now. So with that being said, guys, the only other thing you guys need to watch out for is look out for Solana. We could see more dumpage coming for Solana. We're seeing that it has broken down below my descending triangle right here. You can see that Solana has broken down right here into my descending triangle, and this means that we could be going down, and we could be seeing I think we could go as low as $108. So just keep an eye on that. Don't worry about it. I mean, like I said earlier, I'm in at $18, so I'm not panicking. All you guys can do is, if you're holding Solana and you're underwater, just dollar cost average as it goes down, guys. Don't panic. I know a lot of you are panicking out there. Me too. I mean, I looked at my portfolio and it's like, yeah, my Bitcoin's on fire, it's going to the moon, but all my old coins are just going blah. So what I did is I'm waiting for Thursday, which is my dollar cost averaging day, and I'm going to be picking up more of the altcoins that I'm holding now to bring down my strike price. So that's what you got to do, guys. So think like that, and you'll be just fine. We can see that the fear and greed index shot up yesterday. It's now at 78. And the greed was at 71 yesterday. And this is because of Bitcoin has been just going to the moon, guys. And we can see that the majority of the market cap is in Bitcoin right now. So that's why we're seeing that. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now. Total market cap is 2.31 trillion, and that's slightly down from the highs of yesterday, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Ethereum right now is at 3,478. It also has broken down a little bit. So as I said, we're seeing more and more selling pressure on Ethereum because people are selling Ethereum and moving into Bitcoin. That's pretty normal practice. But overall, Ethereum is still going to, I think we're still heading up to $10,000, guys. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin in the house right now. So you can see that Doge is at 2240. It's still in the bull flag that I printed yesterday. It's just at the bottom of the bull flag here. I think we could break down, guys. I think we could break down, and probably we could see ourselves going down to 18 cents. If not, worst case scenario, 18 cents, we could see ourselves going to 20. So we had some major support at 23. That's now become resistance. So we're just breaking down. Things are not looking good for the Doge. All you're going to do is dollar cost average and hold, guys. I mean, I don't recommend selling. I'm not selling any of my Doge. Smash the likes, guys. What do you think? What are you going to do with your Doge? Give me a comment. Tell me what you think. Now let's take a look at the Shiba Inu in the house. Shiba Inu coin in the house. You can see that Shiba Inu right now is up 13%, but you can see that on the 3-hour chart, we've just got a sell indicator that has popped up, and it looks like we have some resistance at 32.21, and it looks like there's some selling going on. So keep an eye on that. We could see a little bit of a reversal going on for the SHIB, and you guys can see that we have some overhead resistance here as well, and it looks like we got rejected here. And that's why we're going down, guys. So keep an eye on that. Maybe we'll get a reversal and go back up. But right now it looks like SHIB is turning negative on the 3-hour chart. But I wouldn't worry. So with that being said, guys, let's move into the. Let's take a look at the markets in the house. So right now the market's at 2.34 trillion, and the total volume is at 86.61 billion. And the Bitcoin dollars, it's crazy high right now. It's 45.66. Let's take a look at the coins in the market, the coins in the house. So right now, Bitcoin is at 56,752. That's up 1.3%. Ethereum is up slightly. It's almost neutral at 3,483. BNB is at 407. That's down 1.25%. ADA is down 5%. It's $2.10. So ADA is just taking a beating right now. Wow. So let's take a look at ADA in the house right now. So you can see ADA is just taking a beating. It's gone below my $2.15 the support line. That's now become resistance. So let's change that red. And it looks like, you know, our next level of support is around about $2, guys. So we did go down to $2. And then we went back up again. It looks like we could be heading down to $2, guys. So keep your eyes on that. I think ADA will definitely go down to $2 in the next 24 hours. We can see that Solana is also going down. It's down 5%. It's $142.41. DOT is also down 5%. It's at $32.99. We're seeing that Doge is also down 4%, and that's at $22.4. Don't panic. If you're holding Doge, don't panic, guys, because we're seeing everything is going down. So where we see Doge going down is pretty normal right now. Luna is down, so everything's looking down. So what you can be doing is picking up, go bargain hunting. Luna is a good pickup right now. Solana is a good pickup right now. 88 not. Let's see where else. Avalanche is a good pickup right now. Algorand is a good pickup. Matic, I would wait till it goes down a little bit more, at least double digits. So those are some good pickups. Let's see, Vet, no, not yet. So those are my main pickups. With that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Follow, and get the latest tips, tricks, and news. And guys and gals, thank you for watching. You made it to the end, guys. God bless each and every one of you, and thank you for being here. Don't forget to smash the likes right now. Show the OG that you love him, and let's see if we can get 1,000 likes on this video, guys. So, you know, overall, don't panic. Don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, YB. Guys and gals, don't forget to check out my Linky Winky Winks. And remember, none of this is financial advice. You know, become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee. Remember, all the coffees, all the membership goes to charity, guys. It goes to charity right now. You know you want to. And guys and gals, don't forget to check out my merch. We got huge merch. We got lots of merch. We got hats. We got hoodies. We got all sorts of stuff. And don't forget to check out the infamous, the one, the only, the OG mug, the mug in house. You want to get the mug? It's full of joy. I love it. And the coffee tastes better. Let me check it out. Coffee does taste better. So, guys, if you like that, leave a comment. You think the coffee tastes better in the muggy mug? Leave a comment. And don't forget, if you buy any of the merch, please send me a picture of you wearing the merch or holding merch, and I'll highlight that, and I'll show it on the video. So if you love it like I love it, let's get it. And one final thing, do not forget to check out the wife's channel. It's Zen Music. Go there and subscribe, YB. So, guys and gals, it's a blessed time to be here. I'm so glad you guys are here. I'm so glad you guys are watching. I appreciate you guys showing up, watching to the end, and I love you guys. I love you. God bless each and everyone. Spread the good vibe. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. And don't forget to do one more thing. Smash the likes, subscribe, baby, and I'll see you in the next one. Woo!